Yeah, we waited 8 minutes plus last time, and then and it was getting worse. So
What are these? Those were the stirrups that were on this saddle for some unknown reason. Don't know why they're lacking the foot
Where's
pads.
the foot pads?
I don't know.
Do they do anything?
Maddie got them on sale. They weren't included. Abby, don't compromise your body position if you can help it. Jesus. It's not funny, Abby.
I was not. Sam said she had 6 to lunge, and I saw her lunge. Axel, Mo, Axel, Mo, Snip, Axel, Mo, Snip.
Yeah, I was just curious if she was coughing like this on the lunge yesterday too.
Did you get a lunge yesterday?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. I came at I was here at 10 or 10:15. And Sam was already here and Charlotte was here.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure Sam said she had 6 to lunge, and I saw her lunge Axel, Mo, Quest, Johnny, Snip, and then Charlotte did Solano.
Is that Maddie's horse who did that?
I don't know. Was it her?
No, she doesn't fart like that.
Well, I think she coughed and farted at the same time.
It's coming out of both ends.
Oh, that was Frida?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn, that sounded like a firecracker.
Those look like dusty.
Yeah.
She did it twice. Which is probably not helping.
Yeah, definitely. And then there's like a fine shavings.
Yeah. You do not get to. Do not get to. Nope. Nope. Kendra, are you jumping him?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll probably just do like 2 of the courses that I had you guys do earlier.
Okay.
And keep it pretty
Oh, I think we should stop. Walk. That's it. That was not good.
That was very bad.
And then she twisted her neck too. It wasn't just a straight cough.
Outside.
Yeah.
At least you got a bit of exercise in, so that's good.
Yeah. Nope.
Walk.
Walk. I already texted teacher Michaela.
She didn't cough like that last time.
This is worse.
Yeah, I mean, I think ideally, like, you get seen by the vet on Tuesday. Maybe no more Butte, just so that they can see, like,
Yeah.
what's actually happening.
Should we do you want to
If it
nebulize?
is from the fire,